Guys, this is the first time I'm actually seeing an airplane here where I live. It's amazing. I don't know what airline. Guys, welcome back to my page. So guys, here I've got really great news. I received one of my packages from one of the brands that I am due to collaborate with. So guys, unbox this video with me. I can't wait to see what's inside. So this is a really amazing brand, and I just recently partnered with them. I applied to partner with them and my brand partnership was actually approved. So fingers crossed, I can't wait to partner with this brand. All right guys, let's dive right into it. Drum rolls. Guys, I just received my package, so I am just gonna unbox this brand with you guys. Let's see what's inside. Okay, unbox with me. So guys, as you can see, handle with care because it's got fragile stuff inside. So I've just blurred out my house address because that's not necessary for this video. I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys see that the package has got my name on it. So as you can see, just my name on there, Tony King. And this package came all the way from Germany, and this is the name of the brand, Cloudy. So let's see what amazing item they got for me. Are we together, guys? So guys, I have an amazing card here for me. It says, hey, we're absolutely thrilled to have you on board and can't wait for you to experience our products. Your support means the world to us as you help support our mission of spreading the goodness of cleaner and greener plant-powered solutions far and wide. Your influence and authenticity play an important role in helping people discover naturally smarter alternatives to support better lifestyles, and we're honored to have you as a part of this journey. Together, we're making it easier for others to ditch bad habits and find solutions for sleep, stress, and energy that truly works. Our team is eagerly anticipating the incredible content you create and can hardly wait to see your magic. Thank you for believing in our products and the value we stand for. Your partnership is invaluable to us and we can't wait to see the positive impact we'll make together. Feel free to reach out to blah 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 blah. So that's an amazing card I got from them, guys. Thank you so much. I can't wait as well to work with you guys. So what is this? What's this? Airspeed. Woo! There's loads of that in here. So amazing! Ah! Look at my lovely content inside, guys. Are you guys seeing this? So let's pick the first one. So this is one of the brands. This is Daily Stress Gummies, Calmies. This is what it contained, and it is PhD formulated. Okay, it is vegan and drug free, so you could actually get up to like a month's supply, and it's got 60 gummies in it. Guys, I tell you, this brand is so amazing, and these are the gifts I was given just all for partnering with them. I can't wait to try this out and let you guys know, give you guys a very good feedback about this amazing brand. Okay, that is just one of the items. So the second amazing item I have here is mellows. I think this is for the daytime and this is for the night. So this is sugar free. So these are relaxing sleep gummies, mellows. It helps support your sleep and it helps distress, it promotes relaxation. It's got, these are the ingredients. It's got melatonin, it's got ashwagandha and magnesium. Guys, these items are so amazing. It's similar to the other one, but this is vanilla blueberry flavor. As you can see, it comes in a purple color. It's so cute. So another amazing item I've got here is a calming cream. Guys, this is so amazing. So I've got this relaxing body butter. It comes as a calming cream. It calms stress. It helps promote relaxation and melts a lot of tension. So amazing. And the ingredients, it contains lavender, vanilla and coconut. It's so beautiful, so amazing. I can't wait to try. Oh, I love the fragrance. I can't wait to try it out. And also in here, I've got this amazing, what is this? I love the smell. This is Dream Mist. It's a spray. Oh, I think it was opened. Maybe someone opened it mistakenly or something. But anyway, so this is Dream Mist. It inspires calm. It eases stress. So you spray it every night. You can spray it just like in your bedroom, and it's just distress, you know. It eases stress. So amazing. I love the smell. It smells so good. Smells so good. And here I also got a cloudy socks. That's a VIP, guys. You can see this is cloudy VIP. It's very comfy and so soft. It's so soft and amazing, guys. This is so comfy. That's a cloudy VIP. As a VIP that I am, guys, so I received a cloudy socks. So amazing. And also I got a cloudy slip marks. Yeah, Cloudy eye marks as the ambassador of Cloudy. Thank you so much, Cloudy. I really appreciate these items. They're so beautiful, so amazing. Thank you. Hi guys, I just want to say I just received my new brand deal from Cloudy. Thank you, Cloudy, for this amazing item. I can't wait to try them out and show the world out there what amazing items you guys have got. So amazing. I received a Cloudy face mask and a Cloudy eye mask. You can see it's so pretty, sitting pretty on my head. I also received this Cloudy VIP stockings. I received some Cloudy gummies day and night. I also received a Cloudy calming cream, so beautiful, and a mist spray. I can't wait to try these items out and then show the world out there. So guys, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description of this video so that you guys, if you are interested in getting these items, you can get discounts just by using my link, okay? You don't have to pay the full amount to get these items. That is what I'm here to tell you guys, to show you guys what you can actually get just by using my link. So with my link, you can get 10% off, 15% off, 20% off discount, depending on how much you're actually investing into this amazing brand, okay? Make sure you guys stay tuned and remember to smash the subscribe button, smash the follow button, and follow this page for more. Until then, thank you guys. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my page again. It's your girl Lisa. So guys, I just leveled up, but I had to get this because if I really want to level up in my content creation, I'll actually need this because I'm due to come next year. I'm looking to hosting mentorship courses, what I need to be moving about and educating people all the way from the internet. So I decided to get this. So guys, this is an auto face tracking selfie stick tripod. So as you can see from the pack, it comes in a pack, so it face tracks. So while you're moving about, like let's say if I'm moving about right now, the tripod stand will actually be moving. It's like a 360 tripod stand. It moves around and it tracks my face, so whatever angle I move, it moves. It literally moves with me. This is really amazing. I mean, technology, where would we be without technology today? So guys, this is a really amazing item. I can't wait to unbox this item with me, guys, and make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you haven't followed me on all social media platform named Lisa Tony King, guys, you are missing. You want to learn stuff, you have to follow my page, okay? Make sure you guys like this video, give this video an amazing thumbs up, and let's go unbox this